The Story of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. John Utterson was a lawyer in London. One day he was walking home when something strange happened. A girl was running down the street when she bumped into a man by accident. The man went completely crazy. He knocked the girl over and kicked her. She was lying in the street, screaming. The man was walking away, but Utterson shouted at him and stopped him. The man was ugly, and he looked horrible. Then the girl's parents came out of their house. They were very angry and wanted to call the police. But the man said, "Don't call the police. My name's Edward Hyde. I'll pay you." And he went to the back door of a nearby house and opened the door with a key. He came out with a check for £100. Utterson looked at the check. The signature on the check was Dr. Henry Jekyll, but the man said his name was Edward Hyde. Utterson was surprised and worried. "I don't understand," he said to himself. "That is the back door of Dr. Jekyll's house. I know him well. He has a laboratory and works on new drugs. But I've never met Mr. Hyde before." John Utterson and Henry Jekyll were friends, and Utterson was Jekyll's lawyer. He had Jekyll's will in his house, and when he got home, he looked at it. "These are the wishes of Dr. Henry Jekyll. When I die, my house and all my money and possessions will go to my friend Edward Hyde. If I disappear for more than 3 months, Edward Hyde will look after my house and all my money and possessions. Henry Jekyll." Utterson did not like this will. Why, he wondered, does Henry Jekyll want to give everything to Edward Hyde? A few days later, Dr. Jekyll's servant visited Utterson. "What's the matter?" asked Utterson. "Is Dr. Jekyll ill?" "Something is wrong. He's in his laboratory. He has been there for 2 days. I'm worried. He won't speak and he won't open the door. Please, come at once." They walked to Dr. Jekyll's house. Utterson went to the door of the laboratory. "Jekyll, open this door," he shouted. "Utterson, please go away. Leave me alone." "That's not Dr. Jekyll's voice. That's Mr. Hyde," shouted Utterson. "We must break down the door." They ran into the room. They saw a dead man on the floor. It was Mr. Hyde. There was a bottle in his hand. The label on the bottle said poison. "Get the police," said Utterson. "I think that Mr. Hyde has also killed Dr. Jekyll." Utterson saw a letter which was lying on the desk. A few moments later, Utterson read the letter. It was from Jekyll. It explained everything. Dr. Jekyll had made a drug. This drug changed him into another person, Edward Hyde. When he was Hyde, he was a terrible, evil man. Jekyll loved being Hyde at first, because he could do bad things, and no one knew it was him. But then Hyde became stronger, and Jekyll could not control him. Hyde began to appear without Jekyll taking the drug. Jekyll was very scared. He knew he had to stop Hyde. Jekyll wrote that he was going to take the drug one last time to become Hyde, and then kill himself. He hoped that this would get rid of Hyde forever. Utterson understood now. Jekyll had died as Hyde.